What's the meaning of Black Beauty? Black Beauty. Black Beauty.
Black Beauty. Black Beauty. Black Beauty is the title of a novel written by Anna Sewell, first published in 1877. The story follows the life of a horse named Black Beauty, who narrates his own tale detailing his experiences with different owners and fellow animals. However, the phrase Black Beauty has been used in other contexts to describe an object of beauty or elegance that is black in color or appearance. It can also be used metaphorically to describe someone or something that has endured hardships but emerged stronger and more resilient. Overall, Black Beauty represents qualities of strength, elegance, and endurance in both literal and metaphorical senses.